Hi, my name is Joshua. I am a sign language interpreter from Corpus Christi, Texas. I really like working with LAF Sign Language Solutions because they prioritize communication. I really appreciate how they will actively check up on me to see how things are going. And they're super easy to contact whenever I have a problem or need assistance with something. It's never hard to get in touch with them, and they're always ready to help any way they can. It really makes my job a whole lot less stressful. I would absolutely recommend working with LAF Sign Language Solutions to others. Like I said earlier, they regularly keep in contact with their interpreters. And one thing I appreciate, they always have the latest information available for educational interpreting. They'll let us know about workshops, anything that they can do to help keep us up to date and ready for our jobs. And like I said, they're also very accommodating with a very flexible schedule. And when you talk to them, they're professional, but you never feel like you're talking to a stranger. They're very friendly. So absolutely would recommend working with them.